Is your 2019 Mazda 6 key fob not working? Don't panic. First, the most common issue is a dead battery. Replace the CR2032 battery. It's inexpensive and readily available. Open the fob carefully with a pry tool to avoid damage. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, the fob might need to be relearned or reprogrammed to your car. Refer to your Mazda Owner's Manual 2025 version for Sky Active models for the specific relearning procedure, as it varies by trim. This usually involves cycling the ignition on and off in a specific sequence. If those steps don't work, you may need to continue watching this video to explore module resets. If battery replacement and relearning fail, a body control module BCM reset might be necessary. This involves using an OBD2 scanner to access the BCM. A hard reset, achieved by disconnecting the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes, can sometimes resolve the issue. However, incorrect resets can trigger alarms, so proceed with caution or consult a professional. Dealerships use Mazda's Integrated Diagnostic Software, IDS, for advanced troubleshooting and firmware updates. The future of key fobs points toward digital keys via smartphone apps like Mazda Connect, reducing reliance on physical fobs. While retrofitting digital keys to older models can be costly, advancements are being made to improve keyless entry systems and reduce fob-related problems. This may involve going to a dealership.